Within a day after announcing a 5-day-long special parliament session, Centre has set up a panel to study the One Nation, One Election proposal under the chairmanship of former President Ramnath Kovind. One Nation, One Election means that polls for state assemblies and Lok Sabha will be held simultaneously. Significantly, since Prime Minister Narendra Modi came to power in 2014, he has been a staunch supporter of One Nation, One Election. According to the Prime Minister, multiple elections take place in India with almost one every year. This hampers the development of the region owing to the Code of Conduct norms.
वन नेशन वन इलेक्शन सिर्फ एक चर्चा का विषय नहीं है, बल्कि ये भारत की जरूरत है। हर कुछ महीने में भारत में कहीं न कहीं बड़े चुनाव हो रहे होते हैं। इससे विकास के कार्यों पर जो प्रभाव पड़ता है, उसे आप सब भली भांति जानते हैं। ऐसे में वन नेशन वन इलेक्शन पर गहन अध्ययन और मंथन आवश्यक है।
Besides just exploring the possibility of bringing a legislation soon in this regard, the committee is also formed to reach out to various political parties for a consensus and smooth passage of legislation. Previously in the past, till 1967, Lok Sabha and assembly polls used to take place simultaneously. However, it stopped after President's rule was imposed in certain states. It is not yet confirmed that whether One Nation, One Election will be an agenda for the upcoming special session in the Parliament. Notably, the special session of Parliament was called by Parliamentary Affairs Minister Prehlad Joshi, who stated that the session will be held from September 18 to 22. The government sources have not yet revealed the agendas that will be taken up during the special session. Nonetheless, there is also speculation that the special session is being called in order to initiate the process of shifting from the old building to the new Parliament building. Last session in the Parliament was the monsoon session, which began on July 20 and ended on August 12, during which 23 bills were passed by the centre.